Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add show hide password feature to your PowerApps login page. Now let's take a look at the demo. Here on the login page, we have two fields, one for the user ID and one for the password. And when I type something on the password field, notice that it appears in the dots. This is the default behavior for the password to keep them secure. And here you can see there is a view hide icon. When I click this icon, the password switches from dots to the plain text, so you can see exactly what you have typed. If I click this icon again, it switches back to the dots, hiding them the password again for the security. This toggle happens each time when I click on the icon. This simple feature make it easier for the user to check what they have entered without compromising the security. Now let's go ahead and how we can implement this functionality in Power Apps. First we will see how to make the text we entered in the text control as a dots. So for that one, here I added one text input control. Now go to the mode property. Here we have this one. And here you can see by default there is a text mode dot single line. Now if we change this from single line to password, here you can see password. So by default there is a text input, and now it is changed to the dots. So by providing this text mode dot password, we can convert the single line or a plain text into the dots. So now we will see how to achieve that toggle functionality. When we click on an icon, it will change from dots to plain text and again from plain text to dots. Now in the login page, add one icon and provide this formula in its on select property. Here you can see I am creating one global variable named secure password. To achieve the toggle functionality, I have provided not operator before that same variable name. So when we click on this one, for example, it will take the for toggling functionality, it will take boolean values. So whenever we click on this one, by defaultly it will take one boolean value, either true or false. So when we click on this one, it will change to true, and again when we click on this one, it will change to false. Like this it will happen. So after this one, take this secure password variable name, and on its to this password text field mode property, provide this code. Here the condition is if secure password value is true, then it will be in a password mode, otherwise it will be in a single line mode. And then when we click on this one, the icon also changing, right? See here, if it is in password mode, the icon is hide view. So when I click on this one, it is in view mode and the password is in the plain text, right? So to change the accordingly to the changing plain text into the password text mode. So for that one, for this icon property, provide this code. If secure password value is true, we need to make it as a hide, which means the secure password is true, then here what we are giving text mode dot password, right? So when it is in password mode, we need to show the icon is hide, otherwise we need to show icon view. And whenever we log in this page, by defaultly to make the password visible in dot mode, on the log on the screen's on visible property, set this value as a true. Now see, by defaultly this is in a plain text mode, right? Now I am refreshing this site, reload. The page is reloaded. Now again when I am typing something, see, by defaultly it is in a password mode only. And you no need to worry about the code. In the description box below, I have provided a link so that you can get all these formulas. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.